Welcome to this review of ConvertFiles, a popular online tool for converting files across a wide range of formats. The website's layout is simple, allowing users to upload files directly from their computer or by providing a URL. Once uploaded, you can choose the desired output format from a list of options that includes documents, images, videos, audio files, and more. The conversion process is straightforward and generally fast, depending on the file size. Despite its ease of use, ConvertFiles has a few drawbacks. First, the website has a dated appearance and doesn't offer a lot of guidance for new users. It lacks any modern styling or helpful tooltips that could make the experience smoother. Another issue is the presence of ads throughout the site, which can be distracting and sometimes confusing. Occasionally, ads can even interfere with clicking the proper buttons, making the process frustrating. Additionally, ConvertFiles doesn't support bulk conversion, so if you have multiple files to convert, you'll have to do them one by one, which can be tedious. While the site advertises that it supports various file formats, not all conversions produce high-quality results. For instance, converting PDFs to Word documents often results in formatting issues, which may require additional editing. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Despite these drawbacks, the site is free to use and doesn't require registration, which is a definite plus for occasional users. However, if you're someone who needs to perform file conversions regularly, the lack of advanced features and unreliable quality might be a deal breaker. I recommend exploring more robust tools if you're looking for high-quality conversions every time. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.